The sun rises on yet another postcard perfect day at Maple Butter Sunset Lake. The day is overflowing with possibilities. Fun-filled fanfaluche and frenzied frivolity abound. However, things are about to change when young Billy Bob Cumberbatch makes a discovery. Hanging on the wall of the Little Honey Nut Acorn Bunkie is one Mr. Swim Jim. The allure is instant. Billy Bob loves fishing. Swim Jim not so much. Swim Jim has a clinically diagnosed fish aversion. This manic marine mania is often manifested in poorly controlled moments of sanity and security. Young Billy Bob Cumberbatch should have left well enough alone.